What's up, guys? This is BeckFISTBROS123. I'm Slade.
I'm Landon.
And today we are playing ping pong. I'm red, London's blue, and I'm pretty good at this. London's also pretty good. Just gonna say.
Yep.
So,
I may or may not have an auto clicker on, so I might just.
wow.
Yeah, I've got an auto clicker on.
So, hope you guys like this video. This is our first video on BeckFISTBROS. And I hope you like the video. Bye. Hope you guys like this video. This is Nova Studios. I'm Slade. He's Landon.
I'm Landon.
So in the comments section, I want hashtag BeckFISTBROS123. Okay, guys, can we get that? And one like. One like.
One like.
Yes.
One like goal.
Please.
Yeah. Just one like.
Just one like, not two, not three, not five. I missed four. So this was just a little skit. Tell us in the comment section if you want like more little skits like these. We do have a Instagram account, Nova Studios. So hope you guys like the video, subscribe, leave a like, push the notification bell, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.
Peace.